throw keyword. So we can use the throw keyword to explicitly throw an exception from the code. We can throw either checked or unchecked exceptions this way. And the throw keyword is used in the following method. We'll look at a basic example about throwing an exception from the method. So what you see here is a divide method that returns a double value in this slide. Now, in the method, because we can't divide a number by 0, we'll add throw arithmetic exception and pass a single string constructor parameter, which is the exception message divider cannot be equal to 0. So in our program, we can handle this exception by using our try-catch block. So why don't we do an example with the throw keyword? So in the exception handling project, just right-click on the exception package and select New, Class. Specify the class name as throw exception, and then select the checkbox for the main method. Now, outside the main method, let's declare a static double method divide with 2 double parameters, x and y. So in this method, we will check the value of the variable y. So if the value of the variable y is 0, we'll throw the arithmetic exception by using the throw keyword. We pass the divider cannot be equal to 0 message to the constructor of the arithmetic exception class. If the value of the variable y is not 0, we return the x division y. So let's call this method from the main method. In the main method, we declare a variable d with double type. And we call the divide method with parameters 8.5 and 0 and assign this method to variable d. Okay, so let's run the code. Look at that. Out of the gate, we got an exception that's named arithmetic exception. The divide method is invoked because the remainder is 0. The arithmetic exception is thrown. The message that is passed to the constructor is displayed in the output, and the program is then terminated. Just as we expected, right? So now we have to handle this exception by using a try-catch block. So in the main method, let's enclose the code that may throw that exception with a try-catch block. And we'll copy the arithmetic exception from the console and paste it within the parentheses, following the catch keyword. Also, we'll add the object e. So in the print method, we use the exception object e to display the message and the exception type. Okay, so let's run the code. And the catch block handles the exception and the exception type by displaying the error message, divider cannot be equal to 0. So let's change the parameter 0 with 3.4, and let's print the value of the variable d by using the print method. Okay? Good, let's run the code. The result is 2.5. The catch block is not executed because there is no exception.